Hello YouTube, my name is Mike. You may think you are the busiest person in the world, but I'm thinking I'm as busy as you are. I just got home late and I'm super hungry. Today I'm gonna prove that it is still possible to cook stunning food at home. If you wanna save money, I swear it's cheap. Yeah, my rule is so simple. Bachelor cooking has to be easy cooking first. It's gotta be delicious because you make it yourself. So, if you think you can't cook amazing food at home, stay with me. Let's cook together. These are only great ingredients you need. Black pepper, olive oil, soybeans, mushroom, spinach, bacon. This is soba pasta. I think I got this souvenir when I traveled in Nagano prefecture. Yes, that's a spaghetti made of soba noodle. It was an awesome experience. It was very fun. I visited there for a sightseeing as well as videotape. I will upload the trip episode in Mike vlog next time, so please look forward to it if you want. Soba pasta looks like this. It's quite thin. It's pretty bad. Stable. On the boiled water, I add some salt. Just boil spaghetti, and then we wait for 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, so we are done boiling spaghetti, and then just leave it alone for a while. Okay, so just rinse spinach with cold water. Yeah, clean spinach. So I just cut Okay, drop some olive oil and add bacon as well. Looks so yummy, isn't it? Yeah, I love it. And spinach a little bit. I add some salt. Okay, so I'm gonna add some spaghetti this time. Yeah. Okay, So finally I add spinach. I'm gonna get them all together. Okay, so add black pepper. We almost finalized cooking. Yeah. Okay, so on the top, I'm just scatter cheese. I think I'm all good. And oh, it's too small. I think I need to. Okay, so I think it's done. Yes. Looks great, isn't it? Okay, now finish. Okay, so let's eat together. Before I start, let me give you an easy guidance on how to eat spaghetti in Japanese way, okay? So usually we Japanese eat spaghetti with chopsticks, okay? So we don't really use fork. So instead of fork, I just use use chopstick and eat them, okay? Yeah, so let me taste it. Very good. Well, actually, that's good. Yes, it's super good. Well, it's very creamy. So this time I just used soy milk instead of just regular milk. You can get at supermarket, but you know soy milk is better. I think so. Yeah, it's great. If you have a businessman, usually like me, you don't have time to cook at home, right? Yeah, but it's super easy. Like on the way I go home, I just stop by the supermarket and then buy some ingredients like mushroom, spinach, and bacon. So it's they are so cheap. And I can just keep it in the stock. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna eat the same stuff and then go to the company again. I mean, at least it's good for bachelor people like me. Yes, because I'm still single. If I'm married, I'm gonna ask my wife to cook everything I want. But since I'm here alone, great. Okay, ごちそうさまでした. It is good. It is very delicious. Okay, so that's pretty much all for today. Thank you so much for watching Mike's food review. I really appreciate it you watch until the last minute. If you liked today's video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel as well. I'm always welcome you follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram respectively. Thank you so much again. I'll see you next episode. So have a good day and see you next time. Bye.